Statistics assignments can be some of the most intimidating projects students face. Whether it's regression models, hypothesis testing, or interpreting data in SPSS, accuracy matters. So when you're paying for professional help, transparency about who's doing the work is critical. That's why the Review Network decided to look at the Statistics Assignment Help service from UKEssays. Unlike most writing platforms, UKEssays actually shows you who's available to write your paper. You can browse through individual writer profiles, check their academic qualifications, see how many orders they've completed, and read feedback from past customers. It's one of the few companies in this industry that allows you to make an informed choice before placing your order. Each writer profile includes details like subject expertise, number of completed assignments, and verified degrees. Many writers hold postgraduate or PhD level qualifications in statistics, mathematics, or data science. The transparency extends to the proposal system too. When you submit your brief, you get direct offers from available writers. That means you can evaluate not just price and delivery time, but also who you trust most with your data. UKEssays doesn't operate like a low-cost bidding site. The focus is on verified professionals, not anonymous freelancers using fake names. Every writer's academic credentials are checked, and the company itself has been operating since 2003 under UK law. That kind of accountability is rare in this market. When you order a statistics assignment, the process is structured. You upload your dataset or brief, choose your preferred writer, and agree on the deadline. The platform supports work using SPSS, R, Stata, SAS, Excel, and even custom scripts for data visualization. This makes it suitable for everything from undergraduate projects to full research dissertations. Once the assignment is complete, you receive a plagiarism-free report confirming originality. The Review Network verified that UKEssays uses multiple layers of quality control, including internal checking and plagiarism scans before the final file is released. You also get the ability to request changes if needed, something many budget sites don't guarantee. Turnaround times depend on project size, but most orders are delivered within 3 to 7 days. There's also an express option for urgent requests. Prices are not the cheapest, but you're paying for transparency and traceable expertise. Cheap writing sites often hide behind generic promises, offering no insight into who's actually producing your work. To see the contrast, we compared UKEssays with a few low-cost competitors that claim to offer similar services. On those platforms, we found no writer information, minimal quality control, and sometimes identical content reused across different clients. That's risky in academic settings where plagiarism detection software is strict. In contrast, UKEssays provides full proof of originality and professional accountability. Another key strength is the structure of the delivered work. The assignments follow academic conventions, properly formatted, referenced, and organized for easy understanding. For statistical reports, this includes detailed methodology, data tables, graphs, and interpretations that align with academic standards. Each paper includes an introduction to the statistical problem, an explanation of the data analysis, and a clear summary of the findings. The Review Network also examined how customer support operates. Their UK-based team provides assistance before and after ordering, and they're reachable through chat, email, or phone. They can clarify whether your brief is suitable and confirm if a specific software or method can be used. Confidentiality is another major factor. UKEssays doesn't share your data or personal information, and payment is processed through secure UK systems. The company's long-standing operation means it's subject to UK consumer law and data protection standards, giving users an added layer of security that offshore services can't match. When it comes to guarantees, UKEssays offers a clear refund and revision policy. If the delivered work doesn't meet the agreed academic level or instructions, revisions are provided free of charge. In rare cases where the issue can't be resolved, a refund can be issued. The Review Network verified that this policy is publicly listed and legally binding under UK terms. Who is this service best for? It's ideal for students or researchers handling quantitative projects where technical accuracy and interpretation are vital, like regression analysis, ANOVA, t-tests, or survey data modeling. It's less suited to those looking for the cheapest possible solution or purely descriptive essays. This is a professional-grade service for people who want verifiable academic support. At the Review Network, we always look for signs of genuine professionalism in this industry. Transparency, accountability, and consistency are the key indicators. UKEssays meets all three. You see the writer, you see their credentials, and you see the results before you commit. That level of openness builds trust in a market where most platforms prefer to stay anonymous. In our review, the main pros are clear: transparent writer selection, strong academic qualifications, plagiarism-free guarantees, and UK-based support. The only con is the higher cost compared to budget services. But if you value reliability, that price difference often pays for itself in peace of mind and quality. Overall, UKEssays Statistics Assignment Help delivers what it promises: a transparent, professional academic writing experience. You know exactly who's working on your project, and that confidence sets it apart. This review is produced independently by the Review Network to help students understand what they're paying for and how this service compares to others in the market. If you're looking for professional assistance with statistical analysis or data interpretation, UK Essays is one of the few platforms that shows you the full picture before you buy. Thanks for watching the Review Network.